If you want to create a song with Donna AI, here is the easiest way to get started without getting overwhelmed. First, make sure your account is fully set up and your subscription covers music generation, since some tools only appear when your plan includes them. Once you're inside Donna, go to your main workspace and look for the option to start a new track or project. Every layout differs a bit, but it's usually front and center. Pick a style or mood. If Donna asks, then start typing your idea, whether it's lyrics, a theme, or the vibe you want. The AI uses that to shape the song. After generating your first version, check the editing tools around the screen where you can tweak vocals, adjust instrumentation, or regenerate certain sections. If you want a cleaner draft, try refining your prompt with your details like tempo or genre. And before you finalize anything, look for an export or download button. Sometimes it's a small icon or buried in a drop down, so you can save your track as audio or project files. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.